Hello, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to open DCU account online. First, we need to open the DCU site. From here, there are too many options. What you are going to do is click on Bank. It's going to open up a window with further options. So we are going to create free checking account. It's going to take you across to this. It shows you the features of that we are going to create. You can also find the benefit information. There is also contact information for members. However, all you need to do is come across this and click on Open. It's going to open up the application form for you to apply for a DCU account. There are too many forms you need to fill out, so all you need to do, follow the instructions and fill the forms. Because of my current region, I can't show you how you can fill forms. All you need to do is follow the instructions. If this helps you, give thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.